I live in Florida. We're suffering direction like more than 4 hours.
You know what? I believe that things are
yes,
advertising of why you ought to get there.
Right.
You guys are wanting 4 hours, oh, I gotta give you some of that.
Hey, baby! I'm back! Why's Grandpa smiling? Why's Grandma with the curtain? I've had enough. I don't want yawning. I want to go home. They're killing people proper out there. Oh, I'm none of it.
Just not the way it works. Put it right back.
Jesus.
Actually, I'll have one. Yeah, I'll put it in the bowl.
Paparazzi.
Yeah, exactly, right? Go away, you city man.
Fan of a tourist.
Yeah, exactly. Right? Oh, here, catch the authentic Philadelphia trolley coming in now.
Yeah.
That's the background.
Cookie, anybody?
Yeah.
Actually, we've got more.
Yeah, there's like 2 other bags of these.
They're authentic.
Yes, they are. Lashes.
Mm-hmm.
It's like Grandma used to buy from the store.
Yeah. The old grocery store. The old A&P.
It's the
The old A&P.
That's right,
The
the
old
old
general
A&P.
store. The old cookie supper.
Cookie Cutler, that's the business I should go into.
Yep. Oh, good.
The old Mr. Mouth.
Needs an apprentice.
You missed your whole mouth on that one.
I know, I don't know where it went.
I'll give you a clue. We got a hole in one.
No, it doesn't seem to be there.
The Blue Hens ones are like
Uh-huh.
dinner plate. That's how cookies should be. I gotta remember. I need to send her an email. Throw her out my list.
We're all in trouble, man. He put our names in his book. We're on the top of the list again.
No, we've been bad.
So I keep a journal.
Yeah.
What'd you write?
I know, that's the thing.
They too. These assholes are still here.
These people are insane.
Yeah.
I think the who?
Yeah. Who are these people?
And then the tree fella.
Yeah.